Sa 15 years, inalagaan kayo ng Diyos. At kayo ang napili ng Diyos, tinatapat ng Diyos.
To my wife, today, before God and our loved ones as witnesses, I give to you everything that I have and everything that I am, for we will be together as one in eternity. For this love that I have for you will only get stronger and remain unwavering.
Honey, una at bago ang lahat, gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na mahal kita. Sobrang saya ng puso ko. Dahil finally, natupad ko na yung pinangarap mo na maikasal tayo. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil ikaw ang binigay niya sa akin.
Kapag nalapasan niyo sa problema, lalo ko kasi kayong nagiging matatag. Bahagi yun. At sabi ko rin sa inyo, huwag ka lang maghahanap Jack ng perfect wife at ikaw perfect husband. There is no such thing as perfect. Okay? Pero sa pamagitan ng inyong pagmamahal, kahit maraming pagkukulang, sana sa paningin ninyong dalawa ay maging perfect ang bawat isa.
Nag-start po yung relationship namin nung high school.
Kakilala kami nung high school, schoolmates kami. Then, common friends. Hindi kami naging mag-classmates. So, doon nag-start lang talaga.
Isang araw, parang nagka-chat na lang kami. Ayun na, tapos hanggang sa hiningi niya na yung number ko.
Lalo ko naman siya nakilala kasi nung naging college na, kasi yun naman yung time na talagang mas marami kaming oras na magkasama na. Kasi hanggang second year college, schoolmate din kami.
So ever since, ganun na talaga siya eh. Sobrang bait niya, sobrang maalaga. Parang wala siyang ibang ginawa kundi pasayahin ako araw-araw. Ganun.
Bukid man tayo ng panahon, lagi man tayo magkalayo, ikaw pa rin ang lagi kong uuwian at babalikan. Ano mang sarap at hirap, ano mang pait at dali ng buhay, lagi tayong magkasama sa lahat.
Gusto ko sabihin sa'yo na mahal kita. Ito na tayo. Ito na yung pinangarap natin.
Ito na yung next chapter nung matagal na nating hinihintay. Ito na yung start nating dalawa.
Here's to all the late night drunk phone calls that you picked up. Here's to all the bad decisions that you didn't judge. All the love yous and the hate yous and secrets that you told me. Here's to everyone but mostly us. There's a couple billion people in the world, and a million other places we could be, but you're here with me. Take a moment just to take it in, 'cause every high and every low led to this. I'm just so glad you exist.
Para sa akin, perfect siya. Siya yung hahanapin na quality ng ibang babae.
Hindi niya ako pinabayaan, hindi niya ako iniwan kahit na lagi kami magkalayo, kahit na lagi ako wala. Support niya sa akin talaga yung minahal ko sa kanya.
We don't need anyone else. There's a couple billion people in the world, and a million other places we could be, but you're here with me. Take a moment just to take it in, 'cause every high and every low led to this. I'm just so glad you exist. Don't you ever go go, don't you ever go, don't you ever go, change.
Do you think Jack her present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Jack, do you take John her present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Half a billion people in the world, and a million other places we could be, but you're here with me. Take a moment just to take it in. 'Cause every high and every low led to this. I'm just so glad you exist. I'm glad you exist.
Masaya ako kasi binigay mo sa akin yung ganitong kasal. Na hindi ko naman hiniling pero binigay mo. Thank you sa lahat. Alam mo yan.
There are times when I just want to look at your face.
Nanalo tayong tumibay habang sa pagtagal ng panahon. Yun lang. See you soon. Mahal na mahal kita.
And I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are
Wish ko ay umaba sana po ang pagsasama nila.
Yung wish ko lang naman sa'yo, sana maging happy ka ngayon, ikakasal ka. Sana ha. Pasensya mo ha.
I just can't compare you with anything in this world.
Siguro sa kanya, sana maging masaya at matagumpay ang kanilang buhay habang buhay.
Alalawin ko, maging okay din ang niya. Pag-aasawa.
Gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga magulang ko, sa inyo pa, na hindi ako magiging ganito kung ano ako ngayon. Salamat sa pagpapalaki sa akin, sa pagtataguyod sa akin. Lahat ng to dahil sa inyo.
I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down.
Alalahanin nyo, hindi tayo ganito, kayo ganyan, kung wala ang ating mga magulang. Yung pagsasakripisyo nila sa atin, sana kantihan nyo rin habang buhay ng pagmamahal at pag-respect.
I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all
I will be forever grateful for your love and care. And marrying me is the best gift you have given me and will forever be one of the happiest days of my life.
time and again. There are these changes that we cannot end. Sure as time keeps going on and on, my love for you will be forevermore.
I will love you forever till my heart beat its last beat. Mahal na mahal kita at patuloy kitang mamahalin hanggang sa susunod ng buwan.
Sedi ko, honey ko, pangako ko na mamahalin kita hanggang sa ating pagtanda. Lagi kong sisiguraduhin na laging masaya ang uuwian mo. Sa araw na to, pangako na hindi ka na mag-iisa kasama mo ako sa hirap at ginhawa. Ako ang magiging ilaw ng ating tahanan at lagi kong sisiguraduhin na laging maliwanag ang ating pagsasama.
I just can't believe that you were mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything.
Again, Jack and John, good luck. Ang namin ay ang inyong kaligayahan sa hirap at sa ginhawa.
I need to be with forever.
pinapangako ko sa'yo na magiging mabuti akong magibahay at sa magiging anak natin balang araw. Hindi ako mapapagod maghintay sa'yo tuwing nasa barko ka. Mahal na mahal kita, Han.